Hello there, everybody. Well, today I received a new fire alarm, which is a surprise. You're going to find out which alarm it is in this video. But before we get into that, I would like to say that my Gentex Commander 3 that I had on the back porch has now been relocated to the basement. But is it in the science room? Well, we'll find out later on in the video. Is the Spectral Classic still in the science room? We'll figure that out. But there is a new fire alarm on the back porch. What could it be? We'll find that out pretty soon. Well, what do we have in here? A Gentex Commander 3, of course. It looks normal. Nothing out of the ordinary. Your typical Commander 3. Here it is. Now, what could be different about the back porch? Let's go see. What's particularly different about the back porch? Boom. Another Gentex Commander 3. So, I did get a new Commander 3 today, which we have on the back porch to replace my older Commander 3, which is somewhere in the basement, and you are going to find out where. Now, I do have an EST Integrity remote strobe right there, which is 15 candela, and my Commander 3s are set to 15 candela also. And of course I do have another Integrity remote strobe, but you'll see that in a few moments. So, I do have my Wheelock AS right there, but it is not hooked up to my fire alarm system, and I have my system sensor SPSR speaker strobe also not hooked up. Whenever I want to test these, I just, use this power supply. It's just free floating. It's not hooked up to my system. But anyways, we're gonna activate the alarms from my switch right here, and we're gonna start it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get at it. Let's go see what's downstairs here. It's a mystery. Yep, Gentex Commander 3 right there. Outside of the science room. About that. So that could only mean the Classic is still in here. you get a better glimpse of that one. Alright. We're going back upstairs. Strobe. Also 15 candela, but doesn't have a label there. Ripped off before I got it, so it's not my fault. Then we're back up here with the Commander 3s and this other integrity strobe, which does have the label. Then we have the Commander 3 out here, which you just saw a few moments ago. Sorry, you can't see very well. I have to remove the curtain out of the way. And now we're back to my room. Alright, so that is the video of my fire alarms. That is my fire alarm setup as of now. I hope you like it, and if you want to see more videos, hit that like button and have a fantastic day, everybody.